Today I'll be making slime. It has like different type of like little kits. So let's get started. Okay. First, I'm doing strawberry cow. Strawberry cow. Strawberry cow. Strawberry cow. That kind of stuck in my head. So it comes with these beads. But I don't really like these beads, so real quick, we're gonna switch them out because inside of the strawberry one has, the ice cream one has little strawberries in it, so we're switching because who doesn't want to switch? Either way. Let's put this back before you guys see more of this. That's a surprise. Have our ingredients. I already know how to do this. You have to put this with these. This with these and water, and then shake it out. So let me go get a scissors to cut these open. Okay, now I'm gonna open this with my scissors. Shake it up. Ow. And I can't open this. This is annoying. When you can't open stuff, it's always so annoying. Help me. I got a little cut there, so let me see if I can get this. Oh no, I'm afraid it's gonna pop everywhere. So, yeah, let's just cut it. I feel like that's easier. There we go, I opened it. With my hands. A little bit with the scissors, but with my hands mostly. Oh my god, I hope this. Okay, here we go. Okay. First, we're going to add our secret mixture into our little strawberry container. So, yeah. You can just pour it in all fast and everything. Nothing special. Oh, we got a packet here that goes in the trash. So this is my trash pile right there. Done. And it's pink, so wait, is it pink or is it, what color is it? It's like pinkish, blackish, so that's a good color. Okay, now for the beads, which didn't come with it. I switched them out, remember? Beads look so cute, not gonna mind. I hate when you cut it and then it stays there. That's annoying. Cut it already. Anyway, they're very tiny. Here they are. Oh my god, I can't even show the whole thing. Either way, time to put them in. Okay, I spilled some, but just a little bit, not too much. Oh, and they also are not that plastic. They're a little bit silicone. So they might stick more to the slime, so they won't be falling anywhere. Anyway, there they are. That looks cool. Okay, let's hope that doesn't drip. There you go. It looks dark because it's camera. Now for our water. Add a little bit because before I started this video, I actually made one and I added too much water. So that much is good. Put on the lid extra good because the reason mine's got ruined because I put on the lid not too hard. So I'm going to shake this off slowly because I feel like it's going to spill. This is scary. And we have to let it sit while I do the other ones. Okay, why is this dripping? I could feel it. It's like slime already. Wow, that's like magic. How long do I need to shake it? It doesn't say how long. I need to check this out. If you're telling me this is, you guys, that is literally already slime. Just shake it up a little bit more. It actually smells like strawberry. Shake it up a little bit more, but that is slime. Either way, we're gonna have to let it sit because we have to let the slime sit. Yeah, it says it needs to sit because it's still a little bit sticky. You see? Still. Stick. So, I do not have a napkin here, but I did clean it up. So we're gonna let this one sit over here. I don't know. Yeah, I didn't show you guys where it's right there. Next we shall do cocoa. If you don't know what I'm talking about, hot cocoa. This is super cute. It has like little marshmallows. This is adorable. I'm obsessed with little tiny stuff. Okay, thank goodness. Oh god, my stomach ache. I have a stomach ache because I just finished eating McDonald's. So, it's like a brownish color. Oh my god, that stomach ache. Okay, sorry about that. That hit hard. If I have breakdowns, don't ask me why. I just told you. Oh, this hurts. So I'm going to try to go fast on this video because why not? Okay, I guess that's good enough. There you go. No. That smells like... That smells like hot cocoa, literally, you guys. That smells like hot cocoa, but time to pour it in our mug. There you go. Make sure we pour it. So this time I'm gonna put in less water because on the other one I think I put way too much water because it's like still sticky. I don't know if it's supposed to still be sticky. I don't know, but I let it sit just in case. I have a worse stomach. Either way. Owie. Okay, thank goodness I didn't drop. Now, yowzies. Oh.
She said, I'm scared, like, what if I did something I don't want to do?
I'm gonna put in less. It smells so good. I can't.
And I remember, like, I think maybe driving break or driving lunch.
That much this time. A little bit less. Okay, where's it? I almost lost the cap already. Make sure this is good on. Like extra. I'm gonna extra put this on. Now just shake it up for a little bit. I don't know how long I need to shake it up. Wait. Okay, that's slime. I'm gonna check it out. Is that slime? No. Still gonna shake it up a little bit and then let it sit. Either way, I'm gonna let that sit. Next up, we're gonna do ice cream. The one I switched. I'm leaving the best one for last. So I'm not gonna tell you what the best one is. It's the best one.
So she's investigating this. It didn't matter if one person saw it or 4,000 people saw it, because to us,
looked at a mouse and I said, just go inside and calm down and we'll talk in a few minutes. She spent a lot of the day in her room.
These are like actual bees, like actually
And I
actual
went
bees.
to check on her and I knocked on the door and I said,
That filled up fast. Did you see it?
and she said,
Oh, I get it. We have to like
so I
fill them up,
opened the door.
mix it around, and then
I saw
when they're done sitting at least for a minute,
him in the shower.
they're at least like done sitting for a minute, you like pour it out so all the water leaks out and it's just like slime. So.
Maybe 20 minutes later, the paramedics were here.
Check it out to see if it's good or how's it.
Race to my car.
I shake it up too hard, which makes all the beads like float up to the top. So this might be the best one because it's not too sticky enough. Like you put your finger and you could feel the slime. So that might be the best one. We don't know. Here's not the last one. We have one more left, which is a surprise. Popcorn. And for some reason the cases smell like whatever it is. I'm not patient. I'm not gonna read the list of how long you need us today. I'm just gonna look at them and I'm done. Be like that. Open this. There we go. Now you pour it in. Wait. How? That smells like not regular like butter popcorn or regular popcorn or anything. It smells like the popcorn that they put like
My dad
what's it
came
called?
one
Caramel.
night and said, "Dylan, you need to
Caramel. Caramel. On top of it.
And hearing about this
Oh, I wish you could smell through the camera. It smells so good.
and we were thinking to myself,
Either way, these are not beads. These are like little puff things, whatever it's called. So I don't know how this bag goes. So we just open it up. And the beads are gonna pop out. Yeah, I'm cutting the beads in half.
all these people are right what they're saying about me.
That was a lot. That's a lot. We still have some more in this bag. Oh, but that was a lot. Like, literally. That was a lot. Like, look. It's like filling up. I can't even see that much. Yeah, let's like go fast with this one because this one's like the most messiest one. So. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least count to 10, I guess it's good. No, at least. 11, 12. 12. Just to make your slime bigger. So excited for the last one, which is the best. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. When like you shake it and like you don't feel water going up and down, that's probably when it's good. If you see my bored face, that's because I'm technically not patient at all. So, this one's done. Popcorn. Last one. Dun, 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 dun. grape soda. Grape soda. Like literally slime. Grape soda. Grape fizz. And look, it even has like the little lid thing with like little bubbles. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, wow, that's tough. Oof, how did I close it? Cause that hurt. Either way, we have like this grayish soda color. Grayish soda color, yeah. And little clear gemsies to make it look like bubble fizzing. So that's good. That's good. Okay, let's hope this will smell like soda because I love the smell of any soda, literally. So let's hope this smells like soda because I'll be happy. I need to show you guys how much trash is on my table right now. Like so much. Look, no wait, look, you see all that plastic? No wait, there's more. Oh, I can't show you. I can't grab my tablet with one hand. It's hard. It smells just like soda. I'm gonna die.
January 7th.
Babe, I might be able. Nope. Scissors come in handy.
I was pretty excited. I actually texted her and I was like, we should hang out tonight. Let's play Call of Duty and drink a beer or two. Like, had some in my fridge. I was like,
I'm not patient. I just want to see them already.
And Matt keeps bugging me about coming over. I was like, nah, it's cool. It's all right. I actually went to bed.
Did that drip? Did you see that? I don't know.
Fell asleep. It was like 10 o'clock.
Yeah, that's dripping. So I'm gonna hold where it's dripping.
Well, I was watching movies and stuff, but they're actually up there drinking a little bit.
I met Paige when I was about 9 or 10. We
It
kind
comes.
of had the same
Look at this.
dresses.
I don't want it to explode. Like,
We were kind of the weird kids.
Okay,
Almost
so-
like the outcasts.
that's good. We need to let it sit for sure. We need to let all of them sit actually.
So, I really
Okay, we're gonna check on the one that we started off with. Strawberry cow. Because I feel like it's done for some reason. Oh, I'm so excited. So it says to mix with your hands to make it less stickier. That feels nice. I'm gonna move away everything so it doesn't stick to the papers. That feels nice. Okay, so I'm gonna have to mix it around. Yeah, mix it around until it's like not sticking to my hand. Oh my god, but this feels so nice. This feels so nice. It's a little bit sticky because I added way too much water, but it is what it is. I'm gonna rate them actually. So this one gets 5 out of 10. It looks adorable. It smells like beautiful. But the thing is, it came out way too like sticky and like jelly. Like feels like jelly, not actual slime. So, but I mean it's stretchy, so I guess it's like slime. So 5 out of 10. Moving on to the next one. Let's close this up. Wow, that's perfect. It makes me want to eat it. This one's so good. Hot cocoa. Let's see how this one looks. Let's see how this one looks. Okay. How do you open this? Is this one done? I don't know if this one's done. Okay, that one's not done for sure. It's like very sticky still. I can only feel the slime at the bottom, which that didn't turn into slime yet, so that one needs more time. Cause again, I added way too much water. I add too much water into it. But hopefully this one's done. Cause I feel like if the first ones are done, definitely the other ones please tell me it's done because I want to feel some more slimes. So that one gets a 10, like a 0, because I don't even know how it feels like, so I can't rate it without actually knowing. So. Okay, this one's good. I guess this one's good, I don't know. Let me take it out to like play with it. No. Sorry, this one's gonna get a 0. Because half of it is slime, the other half like still has a lot of together. I'm gonna add more water to this one because you could tell it's trash. So I'm gonna add more water, hopefully that'll fix it. Probably not, but we have hopes. But if it doesn't work, then we'll just throw out the slime and keep the little case because we can't throw away little cases. Wow, that feels weird. Popcorn, probably not done. I feel like it's not done because we went through these. This one's probably done. This one feels. Oh, there's no sticky parts. It's not sticky, but it's not. Okay, this one definitely gets a 10 out of 10. Look at that. That is like the perfect. I love that. I love that.
A lot of times I pushed his hands away and I made it clear, very clear
Look at that.
I didn't want to do this, but
Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful kid. Look at that. Look at that. Don't mind my nails. They look gross. I know, they look gross, but either way. Back onto this slime. Super cute. This one is my favorite, 100 out of 10. It's like literally the only one that's not sticky, but it's not hard. And this one actually is better than the first one we did. And it smells so good. And I love the beads. I'm playing with this one a lot because it is my favorite. And it's like, the texture is 10 out of 10. So yeah, 10 out of 10, popcorn. I don't want to close it back. Ooh, there's also some on the lid, which is the same texture. So 10 out of 10. Some of them I didn't rate because this one's definitely not done because we just did this one. But if this one's done and it comes out perfect, I'm gonna cry. My last ones are like the best. This feels nice. Like literally, my last ones are the best ones. Oh my god, my last ones are literally the best. The popcorn and the soda are beautiful. Like, this is beautiful. Right here. 10 out of 10. Again. The popcorn and my soda are definitely the favorites. My least favorite is the ice cream and the hot cocoa. I don't like the strawberry cow. It didn't turn out that good. But I mean, I'm gonna let those sit a little bit more to see how they turn out. But yeah, I'm actually still gonna stay in this video playing with the slimes that are done because. But I'm gonna pick that up real quick. Oh my. It's clear. Yeah, so this one definitely gets a 10 out of 10. These are literally my favorites to play with. And I got this from Rose, so shout out. Now this video is not sponsored. They're not at all. I just love these. Like, oh my god. Anyway, time to go back. I'm gonna pick up all the beads that I didn't use. I'm gonna pick up all of them and put them in the collection. They're going in the trash. But anyway, 10 out of 10. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna see if my hot cocoa is done because I want to do the hot cocoa. It's not done yet. This is trash still. Ew, this is very sticky. I either did it wrong or it just needs to wait more. So I'm saying it needs to wait more because I still still have some hope in it, but yeah. And hopefully I just have to wait till. Going back to the ice cream to see if this guy's better. Hello, let me check you. You doing fine? This one's definitely gonna need some more water because look how dry that looks. Like, ugh, no. It's like breaking apart if I touch it. So there you go. I'm gonna actually mix it up because that one did not work out too well. Okay, now it's moving. Hopefully that comes out better. But going back to the strawberry milk, hopefully this one got 100% better. Oh, not that much, because you could still see some stickiness to it. But after all, it's perfect. So I'm actually gonna rate this one 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 sticky, but it's a good texture, I guess. I guess it's not that sticky, you know? It doesn't look that sticky, like. See, it's not that sticky, but I mean, you could feel it sticky, but anyway, that's 9 out of 10. Pretty good rate. But going back to my favorite. Going back to my favorite. This guy is like the best texture. Like, you could see how good the texture is just by seeing me poke it. Like, oh my god, let's not get sun in my eye today. It's amazing. I love this, like, smells like. Tell me you did not see that.
Because we were just outside of city limits.
I blew in one of these in it.
Literally like right on the line. So it was technically sure.
Smells so good. Tell me you did not see that. Wait. And then I was like, wait, what? Like, that was good. Either way. Mama, come here. I mean, never mind. You can stay there. On the next video, I will be doing, showing you guys the rest of the slimes if they turn out better, and my sister's story on the next video. So, yeah. Bye guys. See you later. Alligator.